They're off in the Florida Derby. News pending just walked out of the gate. Union Rags had a very good start. Take Charge Indy, and on the outside it's Reverone. Reverone and Take Charge Indy take the lead into that first turn, and Union Rags and El Padrino are just off of them, and neck has the rail. Then Fort Loudon slow starting. News pending is second last in the Maiden Z Camelot trails as they race on that first turn. Calvin Burrell and Take Charge Indy are leading the way. They ran the opening quarter in 23 3/5 seconds. And then comes Reverone second to the outside. Neck is third along the rail. El Padrino is right alongside, and Union Rags is hard held there in fifth. He's right next to El Padrino. He's 4 lengths off the lead, and then comes Fort Loudon. News pending is next, and it's 3.5 back to Z Camelot. Up the backstretch, a 47 3/2 mile for Take Charge Indy, who's been in front since the gates opened. Reverone pursues in second, and then it's neck and neck. El Padrino, Union Rags in behind horses. He's in fifth. He's 5 lengths off the lead. Fort Loudon just passed him. News pending is next, and then Z Camelot. Around the far turn, it is still Take Charge Indy. Reverone now neck and neck, comes off the rail and makes a 3-wide run. El Padrino goes 4 deep. Fort Loudon is next, and Union Rags is still 6th. He's in behind horses. He's 3 lengths off the lead. Julien Leparoux will have to make a decision where to go. He's going to bring him to the inside, and they're into the stretch, and it's still Take Charge Indy and Reverone, and Union Rags is down on the inside. He's making his run. Can he get there? And then it's El Padrino. It's still Take Charge Indy, Reverone. Union Rags switches to the outside, but Take Charge Indy wins the Florida Derby, wire to wire under Calvin Burrell. Reverone was next, then Union Rags and El Padrino.
Well, Calvin Burrell, once again, his first ride in the Florida Derby is a winning one as he takes some wire to wire to pull the huge upset.